This program is an animal shelter system built using object-oriented programming. It allows users to add animals, adopt animals, and manage a waiting list when an animal is not available. The shelter also controls how many animals it can hold by using a capacity system and organizing animals into kennels. So we move into the animal class right here. The animal class is the base class for all animals. It stores common information like the age, the name, and it's used so we can easily display the animal's information in a readable way. And then we go into the dog class. Next, I created the dog class, which inherits from an animal. This means it automatically gets the name and age without needing to rewrite that code. It also adds its own behavior with the bark method. And the cat and the bird classes follow the same structure, which they all are right over here. And then we get into the kennel class. Now, the kennel class is used to store one animal at a time. A kennel can either be empty or hold an animal. This class handles placing an animal into a kennel and removing it when it gets adopted. This matches the requirement. This crashes matches the requirement that animals must be stored in kennels, and that's right over here. Then we get into the waiting list class. After that, I created the waiting list class. This keeps track of the users who want an animal that is not currently available. Each request stores the user's name and the type of animal that they are waiting for. Now, the shelter class right over here. The shelter class is the main part of the program and controls everything. It keeps track of the shelter's capacity, all the kennels, and the waiting lists. This is where most of the program's logic happens. And that's all that is goes this all of this right here. This is where the main logic happens. When adding an animal, the program first checks if there is an empty kennel. If there is, the animal goes there. If not, it creates a new kennel as long as the shelter has not reached its capacity. For adoption, the program looks for the requested animal type. If it finds one, it removes it from the kennel. If not, the user is added to the waiting list. All right. So we go all the way down. Yeah, when we go down here, all this is essentially pretty much the menu. This is a menu that allows the users to interact with the program. Each option lets the user perform a specific action, like adding an animal, adopting one, or reviewing the waiting list. The program keeps running until the user chooses to exist. All this down here too. So now we're going to run the program. And now it's asking for the shelter capacity. I'm going to enter 5. And if you look down here, so we have our input. Now it's going to choose, it's going to ask us to choose if we want to add a new animal or let's want to adopt the animal, remove the animal from the kennel, or just exit the shelter. Or and actually it shows all animals in that shelter. I'm going to select one, the number one, because I want to add an animal to the shelter. So I'm going to hit 1. It's going to ask me what dog, cat, or bird. I'll just put dog. Name. I believe I gave this name here. And that's pretty much it. Or I can hit that, or it's 6 to exit the program. And there we have it. Thank you for tuning into this video and have a good rest of your day.